7 p.m. Thursday night, February 14th, Valentine's Day. And so begins the third trip to Brookings, Oregon. My name is Ben Crisps, and this is my story. Who came through on this journey. We're spinning the wheel of mystery that is Brookings, Oregon. So come along with me and let's taste the adventure. So here we go. It's about to pop off. From our flagship studio in beautiful Southern California, we drove through the night and into the wilds of the southern Oregon coast. Brookings isn't your craft beer, trendy mustache, and chai tea sort of Oregon. This is more your Fred Meyer, Tillamook, and Trespassers Will Be Shot sort of place. Alright, well after a 14-hour drive all the way up the coast overnight, we're here, Brookings, Oregon. We're about to go see what this condition of the driveway is, and there's a rumor that there's a tree in the way. So that's our first order of business, is to go tackle the tree in the driveway. See you there. Well, here we are. We're at the base of the property here, and this is our transportation here. This lovely Honda thing. I think that tarp might also be part of this situation, but who the heck knows. This is really muddy and really dirty. What
the fuck is this for? There's not even a windshield.
There was a windshield on it at some point.
This is trying to kill me, whatever the fuck this is. Jesus.
That's one of the struts for the windshield, probably. Looks like the other strut's gone. Oh shit, it started. Alright, now film something worth filming.
Alright.
It's on E. Of course.
Used for exponential amount of gas. How much gas is in the tank? An excellent amount of gas.
Oh, this isn't the property yet.
That's the fucking tree.
Maybe that's not the tree. But if that's it, I called it, didn't I? I said it was a birch tree.
Birch tree. I don't remember the trees.
This shit got washed out hard. It's a good thing there's like a culvert underneath it.
We could just throw that off to the side.
That's the plan. Well, we made it about halfway up the road. This is the tree, not the one that was leaning over the top, threatening to fall down on us. This one, this giant one in the road, I believe this is the one that the sheriffs tried to move, and that is a hefty, hefty tree. What?
pretty dope axe I got for Christmas. Fuck.
Now we continue our journey up without the impediment of the tree.
Let's roll.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's the problem. That's the second tree. Well, it's a lot bigger than the last one.
The first idea is to throw a rock at it and see what happens. Second idea is to get a long stick and poke it and see what happens.
Well, you could always ask it nicely to just move out of the way. That's a bad idea, I guess.
Yeah.
Fuck, dude.
It's pretty solid. Yeah, but you probably shouldn't be standing there when you do it.
Awesome! Hell yeah. You can get up there.
Yeah. As you can see, it's currently lightning and hailing. There's the thunder. Well, we smote the tree, but not enough to get the vehicle up, just the buggy. So we're about to go up to the property and see what damage has been done to the full thing,
My
or whatever.
prediction is that all the windows are broken.
That would suck.
I heard there was going to be a tree up in the way. But it turns out there was 3 trees in the way.
Yeah.
And who's to say there's not more? Whoa.
Wow.
That's a lot of water.
Yeah. Another one.
So it's tree number... Oh god.
This one's easy to clear. Right? These are load bearing, and then we can hope that the whole branch comes down and try to clear it from there. That's the plan. Hope we don't die. So we attempted to chop down the load-bearing elements of this, but it looks like the danger only increases as we get closer to it. So we've chosen to secure the branch to the buggy.
See if that works.
And then we're gonna pull the thing off. You wanna get in the buggy and film it while I drive?
Yes. Back up a little bit. Almost. There you go. Perfect. Line slid off the side.
Oh, that would be crazy.
Wow. Oh my god, tree number fucking 5. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's not as hard as the last one. There we go. Fuck that tree. What happened to the camera?
It fell over while we were doing it.
How dramatic. Anticlimactic.
Alright, well.
Well, the tree's dead. Abracadabra.
That's tree number 5. Hey there. So, we attempted to solve the problem of the water, which amounted to not having any water so far. So, I put gasoline in the pump, ran the pump without checking any of the lines, and turned the faucet on in the house a few minutes later, and there was no water. Oh well, not a big deal. So we're gonna go up this and see about a water tank. I mean, up this trail right here. Don't try this at home. About it. Those are the loveliest little things. Okay, this fell down. Lots of trees fell down. So, here's the line in. I don't feel water there. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Here you go, buddy. Let's stand you back up among your friends. Lovely. Okay, saved a tree today. Do what you can to save the trees, even if you're chopping down a bunch. Okay. Now, valve. Open, close, doesn't matter. Sounds cavernous. Well, so now it's pouring on us. Skies opened up. Can't seem to figure out. Oh, now it's hailing. That's cool. We had been working so hard to fix the problem with the empty water tank. We forgot the real water was inside us the whole time. Now, years later, I still think about that water tank from time to time. It's like a metaphor for life, that tank. Empty, hollow, plastic, possibly contaminated. Once we realized that, though, we pretty much bounced.